Bears, I'm Summer reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Friday, March 3rd, and it's Playoff Spirit Day for our Bears basketball team, which will go up against Round Rock Stony Point in Round 4 of the Regional Semifinals tournament tonight at the Northside Gym at 7:30 p.m. According to the Texas Basketball Coaches Association, our Bears basketball team is ranked 14th in the state. 14th. So tonight, get out to cheer on our regional quarterfinals champs to help them move up in the rankings, please. You can bet it's going to be a battle against the 4th-ranked Stony Point Tigers. Be up and do, Bears. Way to bowl, Lady Bears. Congrats on advancing to the Texas Regional Playoffs on Sunday at Fiesta Lanes in New Braunfels. Wow. And also, here's a shout-out to Junior Mia Green and Senior Liam Goes for advancing to regional playoffs for singles competition this weekend. Mia led all girls in district with a 215 average, pretty good, while Liam led all boys in district with a 203 average, also pretty good. Good luck to both Bears as they both look to return to the state playoffs. BF&D Bowlers. Let's also give a shout out of support to our Bears soccer team who face the Stevens Falcons at noon at Gus Soccer Stadium tomorrow. BF&D Bears. And BF&D Lady Bears Soccer when you go up against the Stevens Lady Falcons tomorrow at Gus Stadium at 2 p.m. You got this. After a thrilling win against the East Central Lady Hornets Tuesday night, one that included a grand slam, our Lady Bears softball team goes up against the O'Connor Lady Panthers today at Northside Field 1 at 5 p.m. BF&D Lady Bears. And good luck to our Bears baseball team today through tomorrow at the Divine Slugfest. Add more wins to your 2-0 district record. BF&D Bears. Congrats to our varsity tennis team finishing in the top 10 at the Comfort Invitational Tournament on Wednesday. Candace Pickney finished 8th and Liliana Foster 10th overall in the ladies division, with Richard Riquelme placing 7th overall in the men's division. Also, continue your winning ways, Bears track and field athletes, as you compete at the Ron Fought Relays at Judson High School tomorrow. You got this, because that's far away. Once more, congrats to our Symphonic Strings varsity and non-varsity orchestras who played the right notes and didn't come early during rests or late, and earned sweepstakes at their UIL competition on Wednesday. Also, our sub-non-varsity orchestra scored 1-2-2 on stage and 1-2-2 in sight reading. These are incredible ratings for a group attending UIL for the first time. Play on Symphonic Strings. Finally, Bears, here's a huge shout-out to our Special Education Olympians. They came in first place at our district Special Olympics. It's great seeing them lift the first place trophy. BF&D Special Olympians. Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. If you have any announcements for BTV, please email Mr. Serna at fernando.serna@nasd.net. I'm Summer, signing off from BTV Studio. Remember, Bears, your success hinges heavily on your positive mindset, so stay engaged in learning. Have a great day, and BF&D Bears basketball. Also, next week is the last week before spring break, so be excited for that, because yes.
This is a BTV production.